guys, it is a beautiful, super sunny morning, but I'm trying to hide my face because I've been glycolic pilling it. The sun is like crazy hot. I do have just a couple of packages to take in, not a lot of stuff. And then afterwards, I'm gonna go ahead and go exercise. Good morning. Good, and you? All right. Yeah.
Survey at the bottom, tracking right here, tracking right here. Have a nice
Thank
day.
you. You too. You as well. Thank you. And walking out. My little MLS fun is officially done. So guys, I'm actually gonna go exercise. I haven't done any inside exercise videos. Actually, I'm on the wrong side because. All right. Over here filming, but I got space for days. Ooh, not my receipt. As you can see, it is crazy hot outside because I have been putting the glycolic pill on my face. I've been exercising at home. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go inside the house and exercise. I will not be outside today. Look what came through the mail, guys. I needed a mattress, like just a regular little mattress, and I found this at Walmart. Wasn't bad at all. It was on sale for $89. So it's finally here. It's supposed to be 6 inches. It's sold out right now. And it's not heavy. So let's get this guy inside. So guys, I told you earlier I was going to exercise inside the house. It's been crazy sunny out. I haven't went out to exercise and run outside and walk. So I've been doing some strength training inside the house. And I had another little package came. I opened this already, guys. It's some nail stuff. And look what I did. I broke this. How fun is that? It like literally snap back. I hope you guys can see that. It's broken. So plan right now is to go take a shower, and let me show you guys a couple things I got. This is nail forming tip. If you guys know the polygel, I got the polygel a while ago, but I didn't have this yet, so I thought these would be cool to have because these are the stiletto type. I'll show you guys. Let me open this because these, that's the type they are. Oh, there's a tape on here. Actually have something to cut this. Why am I struggling? One tape and two tape. All right. So it comes with 100 pieces. And they're not the nail tip you actually put on. You put the polygel inside of these, you form it, and then you put it on your nails. I thought these were pretty cool, so I'm probably gonna be using these soon. But just in case I don't want to work with the polygel, I got these guys as well. I did get 2 different type because I want the option to do either these stiletto nails type with the pointed tip, or I can go ahead and do like the pumpkin nails I have on. And the cool thing about these guys is I don't have to shape them. you guys saw before, I have the other nails that I got before that. They were extra sharp and long, so I do cut these down. So a few other little things. Let's see. Okay. So a few other little things I got. This is more nail tip gel. So this is more of the little gel I have for the poly gel. These guys are also the gel polish, but these are gel polish glue. So this is for me if I wanted to put these type of nail on, I would get these. They're so tiny. So, and I also got some design kit. This comes with it to do your full beauty. This is your sponge you're gonna need, and they gave me the actual board to do the design. Let's see. This is the board I got, guys. So this is what we're gonna be using designs for. And I saw this on YouTube recently. I didn't even know about this until I saw it, but of course this little guy comes with your board to actually scrape your design on, do this. But this guy, I saw it because I wanted to do the gel in where you actually just put the color on here and you can form your French tip or however you want to do it. So I thought this would make life so easy. So a few things for me to get some new nail design in, because I'm gonna do these pretty. I'm gonna do a new one, broke just in time, I guess. Let's put these guys away. But what I'm gonna go do first is actually go shower. I'm gonna drink a protein shake actually, then go shower. Alright guys, so now that I am done showering, workout is done, I'm gonna do a little bit of something to my face. If you guys use black soap, it is great. Look at this. Look how amazing my skin is doing. That's a combination of everything, guys. But the thing about black soap, guys, is it is drying. If you've ever used it, I've used it for the past couple of days and my face already feel kind of stiff because it's dry in patches. So what we're gonna do is actually, I'm gonna do a sheet mask right now because that's gonna help put so much moisture on my skin. So remember, use tissue paper, dab all the moisture on your skin, and look, for you guys to see. Let me see if I can show you guys. I'm loving the improvements. And again, today guys, I did do my LED mask. I'm gonna sit one day and actually show you guys what I do when I LED my face. So for today, let's just do this. So while I'm putting this mask on, I wanted to mention to you guys, remember today is officially the last day for you guys to enter my giveaway. So it's gonna be today at 5 Eastern Standard Time that I pick somebody to actually send it to. So by 5 o'clock today, everything's gonna close and you guys are gonna know who gets that big box I was packing yesterday. So first thing, of course, is I toner my face. And just put a toner on. And guys, I'm using the Red Collagen toner. That's the one I've been using since I started this whole thing. I've been keeping, that's been the toner that I have been reusing. And it's great. My skin already feels better because it has a little bit of hydration to it. Let's put this away. And now guys, what I'm gonna do is use a little bit of serum. And again, this is the ordinary hyaluronic acid, 2% plus B5. So that's what we're gonna add on. Now, if you have a really crazy moisturizing mask, you don't have to add extra serum sometime. But because my skin is on the super dry side at the moment, that's why I am adding extra serum. Remember, guys, just spread this all over your face. And pat this in. Oh, my skin feels so much better already. Oh wow. And now, guys, I'm gonna be using one of these masks. So because this is turmeric and matcha, because my skin, I wanted to help it heal a little bit more. They have the turmeric, which is the antioxidant rich in youth promotion. The matcha is rejuvenating and anti-inflammatory. Because I had a couple of inflammatory acne, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and apply one of these bad boys on. And upside down. It's funny, you have to flip this upside down to open it. Everything is written here, but the cut is on the bottom. I have a lot of Korean sheet masks, guys, because I love how much products are in them. So that was hard to open. Okay, here we go. And let's apply. So after I put this on, guys, I'm gonna put this on, massage it, and leave this guy in for about, say, 20 minutes. Nothing too long. This help cools down my face a lot. Come on. It's tricky. I always have to think when I put these on. So let's go.